Just be like,
okay, so, okay, fine.
You're gonna be like, welcome to Vlogmas.
Okay, and then what else? And then,
Welcome to Vlogmas.
So, and someone
You're like, I'm about to keep explaining. You said so.
No, I'm gonna cut you off.
Okay.
Someone needs to ask. Kirsten, someone needs to ask. So, what is Vlogmas? Some of you may be wondering what Vlogmas is.
Right. Well, that's the point. We're gonna explain.
I know, but I'm just
You
going.
could be like,
look, all I'm trying to do is just create. I like little outlines.
I know you could be like, so you must. Some of you guys might be wondering what Vlogmas is.
Okay, but I'm not gonna be doing like.
Well, duh.
Okay. Okay. Welcome to Vlogmas.
Are you gonna do it
some
like
of you-
that? Can you be excited? Can that be dead, like dead eyes,
Deadpan?
dead air, like welcome to Vlogmas? Like, also you're not excited. But you have to be fake either. It have to be fake cheese squares.
I'm not gonna do cheese squares. I wasn't planning on ever doing cheese squares. But I feel like one of my Vlogmas posts will be about how I prefer the classics like The Grinch Stole Christmas. Okay. Welcome to Vlogmas! Some of you may be wondering what Vlogmas is. And then who's gonna hit what Vlogmas is?
I can do it. Okay.
Okay, so then you're gonna talk about what Vlogmas is.
What is Vlogmas? Vlogmas is
I'm gonna say, some of you may be wondering what Vlogmas is.
Yeah.
Then you're gonna be like, Vlogmas is blah, 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 blah.
I know. I'm trying to figure out what Vlogmas is.
Oh,
So
well, bruh.
Vlogmas is Vlogmas is
So
series.
you just wanted to go
vlog.
straight in.
No, just be like, oh, you know how the ABC Family has the 25 days of Christmas leading up where there's a movie every single day?
Oh, wow, that was very wordy.
Just be like, it's a vlog every single day leading up to Christmas.
It's
25 days of Christmas.
Yeah.
It's a type of series.
Are you sure you don't want to handle this part?
I can.
Because you just said it with grace. Now let's figure out. So she explains what Vlogmas. Nick, here's it's just so we don't have to be here all night. She already knows what Vlogmas is. Like, you know what it is in your holiday soul. I have no idea what it is. But she can get it to the point. Okay.
You guys know what Vlogmas is?
You're gonna say
Vlogmas is the 25 days of the Christmas.
and then we want to talk about like what's in store.
Yeah.
Okay, what is in store?
We're gonna have some cookie caroling cakes.
We are gonna have the 3 C's. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
What is Vlogmas?
Some of you may wonder what
Vlogmas is. Vlogmas is 25 days of Christmas. We're gonna be having cookies, cakes, and caroling.
So, welcome to day 1 of Vlogmas. Bye!
Welcome to day 1 of Vlogmas.